Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana has apologized to Vice President Leni Robredo. He released a copy of a flight manifest clarifying Robredo did not use any government plane when she distributed relief goods to Catanduanes. The apology came after Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo admitted releasing wrong information about Robredo. Panelo's information came from a text message sent to him by Lorenzana.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.